A mainstay for Apple and its iPhone range, music has changed quite a lot recently. Apple's got into the streaming game with the imaginatively named Apple Music. With a monthly subscription you can access millions of songs, curated playlists and recommendations. It's a strong service, but if you're comfortable with Spotify or another rival there's nothing to stop you sticking with that. Equally, if you prefer to own your music, Apple still caters to that. The well-stocked iTunes library provides access to a wealth of tracks and albums, while the intuitive music app makes listening to your favorite songs a cinch. Your whole iTunes library is stored in the cloud, and to save space you can select the particular albums and tracks you want to download to the iPhone 6 Plus, especially useful if you're rocking the 16GB model. Quite a lot recently Apple's got into the streaming game with the imaginatively named Apple Music. Quite a lot recently Apple's got into the streaming game with the imaginatively named Apple Music iPhone 6 Plus review. You can access music controls from anywhere on the iPhone 6 Plus. Slide up from the bottom of the display to access Control Center where you'll find them, or if the phone is locked they'll be front and center along with album artwork for whatever's playing. From here you'll be able to play, pause, skip and adjust the volume of your tracks, making for a super convenient way of managing playback. iPhone 6 Plus review. Sound quality is good via a pair of headphones, while you get Apple's EarPods in the box with the iPhone 6 Plus. Their shape and design won't be to everyone's taste. The single speaker located at the foot of the iPhone 6 Plus kicks out a decent volume, although as with most internal speakers your tunes will get distorted at the highest levels.